shadow of the dawn's early light, here I stand, iron sparks flying as I craft with steady hand. Granddad's whispers echo through the morning haze. His stories in the fire, guiding my gaze. A legacy of iron, stronger than the years. I feel his pride in silence, hear it in my ears. Hammer swings, anvil rings in this rhythmic dance. Pride in every strike, echoes from the past. Dreams in the forge, flames in my soul. Every beat of the city yearning to be whole. Yeah. Ranch calls for shoes to fit a stallion stride, crafted with tradition and a hint of pride. Bird song mingles with the city's distant hum. In this quiet town, my heart's a steady drum. The warmth of steel connects me to my roots as new beats pulse where old stories soothe. Hammer swings, anvil rings in this rhythmic dance. Pride in every strike, echoes from the past. Dreams in the forge, flames in my soul. Every beat of the city yearning to be whole. In the glow of the fire, I hear Granddad's voice. Keep the craft alive, and in that rejoice. I dream of urban streets, the bustling noise. Yet this forge is warmth that brings me my joy. Hammer swings, anvil rings in this rhythmic dance. Pride in every strike, echoes from the past. Dreams in the forge, flames in my soul. Every beat of the city yearning to be whole.